What's up, guys? Welcome back, where we wanted to chime in on a couple different things, trying to focus more on the actual studio and what you guys are seeing, rather than what is really actually occurring in my most direct reality. So let's jump right into it, guys. I wanted to go ahead and talk about a couple different things regarding Bitcoin Cash, ticker BCH, for people that are currently watching the channel. They have not been part of the channel but more or less in the last year, 12 months. And now they're asking themselves, what is the difference between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash and BCH and BSV and various aspects of the crypto community? And that is why I'm here, guys. I'm here to educate you on the fact that, I'm not just some guy holding a microphone. I've actually been here. I've actually been in the crypto space. So it takes some type of understanding, if you've been in the crypto space, to actually understand why you're in the crypto space, which a lot of people do not understand. So there is a Layla upgrade. All right, Layla is this fictitious NFT that has been created, I believe, mostly by either the Bitcoin Cash podcast and Bitcoin Cash kind of main community. And then there's also other aspects of it that we're going to dive into in this video to understand why the loop function is so important with specifically Bitcoin Cash and any other smart contract capability. Obviously, moving into that now. So think loop function, think the ability for some type of algorithm to loop back a liquidity pool while simultaneously verifying that transactions are not there. Also moving transactions forward to a front position. Obviously, something that we're most interested in with cryptocurrency is having that loop function and it being Turing complete. Obviously, no guarantees of that until it's actually launched. But the idea behind that, with anybody that's in an investment type mechanism, using a supply and demand simple, with a buy and sell order spread between the best ask and the highest bidder. Obviously, we can understand that the groups of the buy orders would potentially jump the price even more, presenting a front end user experience as a massive pump, which we've seen in various investments within stocks, crypto, that it brings in a type of investor that obviously pumps the market even further, based on this idea that the loop pushes those orders to the front, and we get a massive explosion in spot price, which a lot of people have said over the last couple of years that Bitcoin Cash is actually one of the most highly suppressed cryptocurrencies. So you add that rocket fuel on top of these liquidity spreads that we're talking about. We have the potential here, guys, with this particular coin, and a lot of people are saying that this is the best particular coin in 2026 for a altcoin. And that's not me saying it, guys. There's literally people on the internet, basically saying that this Bitcoin Cash is actually the top altcoin of 2026. So that's pretty much most of it, guys, is this idea to loop back with these tokens, only creating additional liquidity, additional rocket fuel per se. And let's see what happens with Bitcoin Cash.